Hi guys, you are welcome to Kajan's Animal Farm once again, and it's a beautiful day. As I told you, we are going to be doing free range at our farm, and so today we are going to see what we need to do before we bring our chickens out, or as a free range farmer, what do you need? So today we are going to just move around and see what we need at our farm to do as we're going to start doing free range farming. Yeah, most farmers who are doing chicken farming, you find they love free range. So we need to ask ourselves, when you're going to do free range, what do you need? Or what are you going to what do you need to do at the farm, so that by the time you go and bring your chickens, you find that the farm is ready to receive those young chicks. First, as free range farmers, you need a big space, enough land. Remember here, when you're to do free range, remember you're going to allow chickens to move. So you need a very big land that is going to accommodate your chickens. For example, if you're to do 50 chickens, that is half an acre, they will be in 1 acre. So you find that if you're to do 100 chickens, you need more than that. So before you start going for free range, those are questions you need to ask yourself. Do I have enough land where I'm going to put my chickens? Remember, these chickens, most of the times they move and they set their own limits. For example, like here at our farm, we are going to do 3,000 chickens on a free range. We are going to put 3,000 chickens on a free range. We found it very cheap that way because we have enough land where our 3,000 chickens can be. So what we did is to fence our land. We fenced our land. As you can see where I'm standing now, this is our chicken mesh and chain link, so that we protect our chickens from moving to the neighbors. So remember, if you have a very big land and you don't fence it, you're not creating security for your chickens. So we decided to fence our land very well. You can see it is from down. It starts from down up to up. If you don't make it move from down or touch the ground, you may attract like dogs or cats to enter and they may eat your chickens. So we decided to fence it very well, and we're going to allow our chickens to just move on this empty land. They're going to move and set their own limits, and this will help our chickens to get all the nutrients they need. You can see we have sheds. If they move around and they get tired, they're going to go under those mango trees sheds, and they rest from there. And you remember, these chickens love like scratching the soil, like they bathe in sand. So this environment is going to favor them to get what they want, or on a free range. But another thing you should not forget as a free range farmer, remember here, you're going to allow your chickens to move around. So you need to put biosecurity. Like as you've seen, we have our basin there, and it's where we first disinfect our feet before we enter into the farm to start moving around. As you can see, we fenced everywhere. If you're to fence, you need to fence where your chickens are going to move around. If you don't do that, your chickens may get problems from dogs or other things that may disturb them. So you can see like here, chickens love scratching because they love eating the insects, the worms. So here they will be enjoying the environment, and even you can sit down. It's a very big place and free where chickens love scratching and even bathing in sun. So it is going to give them comfort, and they are going to enjoy the space. So this is where they are going to be moving from up where we started from the gate up here. We fenced very well to make sure that our chickens are well protected, and as they are moving around, remember on free range you need to be very careful. You have to keep an eye on them so that you know where they are going, especially to those people who are keeping chickens on a free range for egg production. You need to keep an eye on them so that you be collecting those eggs. Remember, sometimes they lay eggs in different areas. So as a farmer, you need to fence, and yeah, they are here, so I need to move around and collect those eggs that may be in different area. And so this is our chicken house where they are going to be resting. That is in the evening when they are going to rest or to sleep. This is where they are going to be resting. So as you can see, this is our chicken house. It's where they rest. And another thing about the chicken house, you need to be very careful when you're building it. You need to roof it very well so that rain will not enter, because if it enters, it is going to make your house wet, and your chickens may fall sick or even attract other diseases. So you need to roof very well your chicken house so that even the rats can't enter. Remember, these rats, if you leave the space where rats can enter, they are going to eat your chicken's feet. They can eat and disturb them. So you need to fence it very well and you roof it very well so that even hygiene inside there is going to be very good. It should be dry all the time so that so you need to make sure your house is dry to keep hygiene for our chickens. Yeah, this is our brooder. We have our baby chicks inside there, but when they reach 3 months, we are going to allow them to join the few of the chickens that are already on a free range. And as I've told you, biosecurity is very important. We also have here where we are going to first disinfect our feet before entering, so that we don't carry diseases to our chickens. We need to protect these chickens 100%. And we have our baby chicks here, 2 weeks now. You can see them, they are very happy. They are from feeding. They are very happy. These are 2 weeks now. You can see them, they are very strong. They look okay. They are very happy. Then at 3 months, we are going to bring them out to join the rest. Right now, the reason why we are keeping them inside here is to protect them from attacks that may take them at this stage. So we need to keep them here, and even now they still need heat. We are still providing heat because they are still young. They still need that care, heat, and we are not doing much now. We are just keeping them here for a short time, then we allow them to feed with the rest on a free range. Remember, I told you when you're to bring your chickens, you also need to mind about the breed you're going to bring. Like ours here, I've told you it is just 2 weeks, but if I can get for you one. It is already like it has a very nice weight. This is 2 weeks and it is very good. The weight is okay. So it depends on the breed that you bring at your farm. So you need to be very, very careful when you're choosing chickens that you're going to bring at your farm. Because remember, here as a farmer, you need the chickens that are going to give you market, that are going to give you the results that you want. Here we are going to be on meat, especially. We are doing free range for meat production. But to those people who are doing free range for meat and egg, so you need a very, very nice breed that is going to give you meat and eggs. So you need to be very, very careful when you're bringing your first breed as a farmer at your farm. So just here we are providing heats, and they are doing well. We haven't got problems with them. They are happy. We just vaccinate them, we give them water and pellets, only that, and they are doing well. They are happy. And at 3 months, we hope they will be big enough, and we take them out, enjoy the free range. Okay, so now let me take you out, and from our brooder, I want to show you, this is our feeding yard, where we are going to first bring them out and we give them supplements before we allow them to join the field and feed for themselves. You can see it starts from here and it goes down there like this. Yeah, we are going to first bring them out. We give them supplements here, then after we allow them to go and enjoy themselves. Yeah, we're going to allow them to go and join the rest and feed by themselves. And you know it, even if you are going to allow our chickens to be on a free range, at least you should first give them supplements before you allow them to go. So that's why we decided to fence here in front of our chicken house, so that if we are to move them out, we first give them some supplements and we allow them to get other feeds on their own. Another thing we're going to do here, we are going to provide enough drinkers and feeders, so that when they're moving around, they're going to be able to get water. So we are going to give them enough drinkers and we allow them to enjoy the environment. And these mango trees are going to provide for us nice shades. You know, these chickens, when it is very hot, they love shades. So these mango trees are also very good to us. They're going to provide shades to our chickens. And we also have a very big banana plantation. It is also going to be the advantage to our chickens because they are going to scratch and get those worms and insects which they are going to feed on. So this big banana plantation is also very good to us. It will help our chickens to feed very well. As you can see, they are now hiding in mango trees. You can see them up. It's a bit hot here, so they are resting up. You can see they are there, so that's why you can't see them running up and down. They are resting. Another one is there. You can see they are just looking for the shades now. So that's what I was telling you, that they love being in shades when it is very hot. So as free range farmers, those are just few things we need. You need to be with a very big space, enough land where your chickens are going to be. You also need to be with a nice chicken house that is well roofed, that is going to protect your chickens from external attacks. You also need that biosecurity. As you have seen, we have been disinfecting our feet so that we don't carry diseases to our chickens. So people, just keep watching. Thank you for the love and comments. So those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and we move together. Thank you so much.